I have to turn on the gas, of course. That always helps. Cool. A little bit messy, but good enough. A little bit of spit helps cool it off too. Yum spit. I had to flip that one over so that the teeth are on this side, not on this side, because right back there's another chain for the next thing down that would hit this. This way it should be good though. I just hope that doesn't move the motor back far enough to hit this. But I guess if it does, I can just raise the whole thing up to be above that situation, because everything else will work out very well then. Turns out there's some sloppy work up here, no surprise. But this gear started rubbing against this piece. Well, not the gear, but the chain that went around was rubbing there and making a lot of friction. So I smacked it over with a hammer after loosening, you know, the little collar that holds it in place. And then I noticed over here, oh look, I never welded this side because this is where like the motor was mounted, and I blocked that, and I probably at some point said, oh, I should weld that later. So I guess now is later. Poof. So to keep this from sliding back against here, I'm gonna have to put a little collar in there. Originally I just had this pressed right up against, and the chain didn't rub, but I guess things warped a little bit. Because I remember it being really close, so if it changed by like a 50th of a millimeter, it would do it. So, oh, nice! I didn't even have to change the chain from what it was before. Cool. I just have to weld those in place now. All right, motor. This piece is definitely in the way. Wheels getting too small. Much better. Zoop. Zoop. Hey, focus, focus. There you go. Now let's see about a chain for that. Oh, come on. The links on the chain kind of put the motor at a very inconvenient spot, but I just moved it up with some spacers. Ah, yes, and it's much easier to get to those bolts down there now. Sweet. Wow, I guess that's almost ready for a test drive. Once I get that chain on over here, well, and the sprocket, which is down there, then I have a few pieces I want to exchange, but I might just test drive it and let them break as they break, and then just replace them. Because that won't be any worse than taking them off now, I don't think. Alakazam! Whoa, it's fixed. Sweet. Oh, sprockets and gears. Oh, I love sprockets and gears. A little while ago, I shouldn't smash that around. I tried to pick this up a little bit, swivel it so I could get this leg out from under the apartment. And it didn't go particularly smoothly. Alright, I'll try that again right now. Let's see if that swivels over there. It should come on. Whoa! Yeah, that did it. Nice. Cool. Leg no longer under apartment. Excellent. I really want to plug you in right now, but I think I should sleep on it. Yeah, let me think about that before I just go rampaging you around the building. Besides, there's like argon tanks and fires going, and I'm gonna have to clean out some area. Well, it's gonna take like a whole day just to get ready for like a short test drive of a step or two. Half a step would be, yeah, maybe I'll try. I'll start with one step, see how it goes. So, tomorrow's Christmas, or whatever you call tomorrow a holiday. I don't call it anything particular except super fun day, because every day is super fun day for me. But happy holidays to everyone. And I'll try to upload this today, so it is actually relevant. I'm going to have some fun outside in the snow. Have I mentioned how awesome this place is in the winter? Check it out. There's the banana building. Oh, and there's an echo! Probably can't tell in the camera. And we can see some toasty smoke coming out of it because I just shut down the fire. And over here we've got the concrete igloo looking spring house. And then up on the cliff, ooh, there's the dome. I think I can even zoom in a little bit. Hey, look, it says Jaimie house. Isn't that great? Ah, solar panels. I love solar panels. Solar panels are so great. Wow, the zoom on this is pretty good. Alright, I'm going to have fun.